everyone, welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel.
In this video of the training series, we will explain the RSI indicator. This indicator means Relative Strength Index. Here in the Indicators section, we can access this indicator by typing RSI. As you can see here, it is the Relative Strength Index. When I click on this once, an indicator appears at the bottom. To make this indicator more visible in the settings section, I bold the style and change it to yellow. As you can see here, I click OK. So, what does this indicator tell us? Let's talk about that. As you can see right now, the price of Bitcoin is hovering around 55,800. Now this indicator has been paid at the levels of 30 and 70. So, when the indicator approaches 30 in this RSI, it means to buy, oversold. When it approaches 70, it indicates overbought conditions. This means that when this indicator falls below 30, everyone has sold it. The price may rise, as you can see here. When it goes above 70, it is exceeding 70 on the right side, as you see here. It means overbought. In other words, everyone has bought it. There has been enough buying. Now, it indicates that the price could drop because there may not be enough buyers left, meaning sellers could come in. With this indicator, we can definitely see the end of the bear market season. We can easily understand this in the daily chart. As you can see here, when the RSI is below 30, Bitcoin drops to around $4,000. And from $4,000, it starts an upward trend. And when it goes above 70, Bitcoin is truly in a bull season. So everyone is buying this. There are now enough buyers and a slight decline is coming here. As you can see, this indicates that the bull season has arrived when it is above 70. When the RSI lingers above 70 and reaches the 90s, a correction is definitely coming. However, sometimes there are no significant corrections at 70. As you can see here, there hasn't been a strong correction at 80. But in the 90s, there were really sharp corrections. As you can see here, there was another sharp correction at 80. And here, there was a small correction at 70, as you can see. Let's talk about discrepancies in the RSI. So what are discrepancies in the RSI? Let us show you the discrepancy in the RSI you see here. As you can see, there is a rising trend in the RSI at the low points. You can see that there is a rising low here, but in the price chart, there is also a descending bottom. Here, this also means a discrepancy in the RSI. This indicates that as a result of these discrepancies, the price could suddenly explode. As you can see, we observe that the price can rise, and it is indeed rising. Now, when it touches the 30 point, the rises come. As you can see, the rises are coming. So what happens when it is below 30 in the 20s? Let's talk about that. As you can see here, it drops below 30 and the price suddenly skyrockets. As you can see, it drops below 30 and then the price suddenly spikes upwards. It drops below 30 and the price suddenly spikes upwards. So, what happens when it reaches the 90s? When it approaches the 90s and 80s like this, look here, it comes to the 90s and 80s and the price suddenly drops. There are also other types of discrepancies. Here you can see that there is a rise in Bitcoin on the chart. The lows are increasing. However, in the RSI, the lows are decreasing. Here, we understand that there are no remaining buyers in the RSI and that sellers have increased, and we also see a decline in the price. This also initiates a downward trend for us. Again, we observed a discrepancy here. That was the topic of our video. I wish you all a good day. I hope I was able to explain the RSI indicator. Have a great day. Everyone, see you in our next video.